together with you.
Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. Did you know that Dollar Tree sells adorable patterns of Hallmark paper? What? I'm so excited. I'm wrapping up these gift boxes and I'm gonna use them as decor pieces for under my tree. You can also do the same for the gifts for your friends and family. Stick around and learn some cute little techniques. So I'm sure you had seen the gift box sets at stores. They're actually not that cheap and they don't always match your decor. I figure we can do it for a fraction of the cost. Just pick up some wrapping paper that coordinates well with your tree and few different size of boxes. We also gonna need some coordinating ribbons, and Dollar Tree has a big selection of different types of ribbons, different colors. I also have some ribbons leftovers that I used on my tree, so that's perfect. And then we're gonna need some embellishments, any colored branches, Christmas sprays, ornaments, little birdies, whatever you want to decorate with. So first we're gonna seal our boxes. I actually filled mine up with old plastic bags and papers and make sure they're nice and closed. Then you cut the wrapping paper to size and wrap up each box. I'm sure everyone has their own method of wrapping up the box. This is the easiest for me. I've been doing it for years. And I do each box in different color paper. By the way, what do you like to do? Do you prefer wrapping the gifts or using the gift bags? Please comment, let me know. I love wrapping the gifts. Okay, so here are my boxes, and now I'm gonna decorate them. Next, I run the ribbon across my box and I seal it with hot glue. I like to do two separate pieces, that way I don't have the bump in the middle. And then I make a small bestie bow on top. Here I cut 3 pieces of 24 inches long ribbon. You can make as many or as few as you like. I measure 5-inch loops, pinch them together, and tie together with a floral wire. And then you fluff, fluff, fluff until a pretty bestie bow appears. It's a very simple bow that you can just glue on top of your box and automatically you have a beautiful decoration. If you are new to my channel, never made a bestie bow before, this is the video you want to see for very detailed step-by-step instructions. To further decorate my gift, I'm going to use these beautiful red berries that Dollar Tree sells. I like to cut everything to pieces and attach with hot glue. And then add the birdies, of course. Look how cute. For just a few dollars, we transform this simple gift into something that looks amazing, right? It's a great decor piece for under your tree or, special gift for someone. Feel free to add pine cones, anything else that you have laying around. And now the next gift. I do basically the same thing. First, I like to crisscross the ribbon across the center. And I think I'm gonna make a bestie bow for that one as well. Just make sure you cut the fishtails at the ends of your ribbons. That makes it look better. Fluff, fluff, fluff until beautiful bestie bow appears. This time I'm gonna add a slice of the floral foam underneath my bestie bow. Just glue it on top of your box and then glue the bestie bow on top of the foam. And next I'm going to cut apart my floral picks, like this red eucalyptus that I have. This is actually from Family Dollar for just $1 a piece. And I'm going to add it all around the bestie bow in the floral foam. It really makes a more beautiful display when you have the foam under there. By the way, yes, the clock is moving because the bird's jumping on it. You're not just seeing things. And I forgot to push all the leaves to the top. Always push everything to the top of the stem so it's displayed better. And I have to add this ornament here. I don't know if you had seen this adorable tag ornament at the Dollar Tree. They have actually a variety of these. It goes perfectly with this gift box. I have to add it here. And then I just fill in with some more eucalyptus. You can also add some poinsettia flowers, anything else you have on hand. But look how pretty. It doesn't really take much, right? I love it. Okay, and we run the ribbon across the next box, doing the same thing like before. And this ribbon, by the way, had no wire, so I really want to use it up for gift wrapping. Excuse my bird. Tweety is getting a little bit crazy over here, but really wants to get involved. And then I'm going to layer a second ribbon on top of it. Look how pretty. I love that. And now I'm just going to make a traditional bow, 6 loops, 5 inches long, and leave a little bit longer tails, maybe 15 inches long, tied in the middle, fluff up, curl the loops a little bit, and look how pretty. Oh my gosh, so much movement in that bow. And now I'm just gonna top it off with some Dollar Tree ornaments, add a little bit eucalyptus, maybe some of these curly branches. Isn't that cute? And by the way, check out the reindeer I got at Five Below. It was only $3. And with the last little box, I'm repeating the same steps over again. I'm just gonna glue that nice bow on top, curl up the ends, maybe add a little reindeer on top. I think it's just gonna go perfectly with this ribbon. Looks like Santa's belt, right? So only a reindeer is appropriate here. Add a little bit greenery, and ta-da! So let me know, what do you think about my gift display over here? I figure before I have time to go shopping and wrap the real gifts, this will decorate the room for now. And hopefully I inspire you a little bit to wrap your own gifts and add a little bit special touch to it. And by the way, look how cute it looks with my signpost. If you haven't seen that video, I made the sign with all Dollar Tree items, and I think it looks fabulous here. Make sure you check it out. And this year I decorated a whimsical Christmas tree with red, white, and black. I hope you like it. If you haven't seen my video, feel free to check it out. I have a tutorial, very easy technique how to add a ribbon to your tree. All right, my besties, so this is it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please make sure you like, subscribe to my channel. I have many more great DIYs coming up. See you next time. Bye-bye. Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, jingle, jingle, ring. Come on, it's lovely weather.